How to install the Tuscan kitchen model boiler. Remove the top and front casing panels. We include the oil filter and 10mm pipe fittings, fuel isolation valve, plus all the fittings required inside the casing. Then remove the control panel. The compact control panel features a plug-in mains power supply and a plug-in burner lead, making installation and servicing extremely easy. There's also a convenient clip to retain the fire valve sensor. For additional safety and to protect the boiler, we fit adjustable high limit thermostats set at 90 degrees Celsius. Unique to all Hounsfield boilers are neon indicators that are clearly visible through the boiler casing to communicate the boiler status to both the homeowner and boiler engineers. There's a mains power, high temperature cutout and burner lockout. For ease of installation, flow, return and condensate connections can be made to the left or right side of the boiler. Simply knock out the required laser-cut blanking plates. Rotate the condensate pipe to the left or right as required. Rotate the heating return pipe to the left or right as required. Connect the heating flow pipe and cap off the unused socket. We recommend sealing condensate pipe work, water and oil line connections with RectorSeal True Blue, a non-setting sealant which doesn't dry out like glue and remains easy to dismantle. Don't install a deaerator such as a tiger loop. Keep the number of joints in the oil line to a minimum. For the oil line, there are optional entry points to the left and the right side, at the rear and the front of the casing, here and here. As you can see, there's plenty of room inside the casing to configure the oil line. The flexible oil line is manufactured from aircraft-grade hose with a Teflon core and a stainless steel braid, making this a lifelong component, as it will not degrade like other hoses manufactured from rubber or thermoplastic. The flexible oil line, fuel isolation valve and 10mm compression fitting comes pre-assembled, with the oil line pre-primed with kerosene fuel. Every burner is test-fired but will need to be commissioned once installed. We have a range of flue options to suit every situation. For conventional chimney installations, start with this flue adapter. Then choose from our range of components to make up your flue kit. We have a range of balanced flue options. Low-level horizontal flue with telescopic adjustment, a low-level side outlet option, and also a high-level and vertical option. Refer to the Flue Options brochure for more detail.